In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your Wise account details. To get started, sign into your Wise account using your usual login method. Once you're in, you'll arrive at the home page where you can see your balances and account overview. This is the main place you'll use to access the details for receiving money, so make sure you're fully logged in before moving on. From the home page, select the currency balance you want to view. This part is important because Wise provides separate account details depending on the currency. For example, the banking information you see for one currency may be different from another, so always choose the balance that matches the money you want to receive. Next, open the selected currency balance. Once you do that, look just below the balance amount for the green account details button. It should be clearly visible on the balance page. When you find it, click Account Details to continue. After clicking, give the page a moment to load. Wise will open the account details page for that specific currency. On this screen, you'll be able to review the receiving account details linked to that balance. These are the details you can share when someone needs to send money directly into your Wise account. Take a moment to carefully review the information shown on the screen. You should be able to locate your account number along with any additional banking details available for that currency. Depending on the type of account you're viewing, you may also see details such as a routing number, BSB, sort code, IBAN, or SWIFT or BIC code. Not every currency will display the same set of details, so what appears here will depend on the account you selected. If you need to use any of these details elsewhere, click the copy icon next to the specific item. This can help reduce typing mistakes and makes it much easier to paste the information exactly as shown. It's still a good idea to double-check what you copied before sending it to anyone or using it in a form. Before you use the details, verify that you are viewing the correct currency account. This helps avoid confusion and makes sure incoming money is sent to the right balance. Once you've confirmed that everything matches, you can use these account details to receive money into your Wise account. That's all you need to do. Thanks for watching.